Dreaming of working on board a cruise ship? Here's the best way to apply for jobs at MSC Cruises and Royal Caribbean. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Update your CV, STCW certificates, valid passport, medical certificate, and professional photos. Step 2. Visit the official websites. For MSC Cruises, go to careers.msccruises.com. For Royal Caribbean, go to rclcareers.com. Step 3. Create a profile. Register an account, upload your documents, and fill out all details carefully. Step 4. Apply to open positions. Choose jobs matching your experience, ratings, hotel staff, engine, deck, galley, or entertainment. Step 5. Be aware of official hiring partners. Some countries require you to apply through an authorized recruitment agency. Check official lists on their websites. Step 6. Prepare for the interview. Expect video interviews. Dress professionally and answer clearly about your skills and experience. Important tips. Never pay anyone to get a cruise ship job. Genuine companies do not charge candidates. Apply early. Cruise hiring can take 2 to 6 months. Set sail towards your dream career. Apply the right way.